In this video, I'm going to show you how to split pages in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Organize tab up top, and then over here it says Split. Click on that and click on Split Pages. Now, over here, as you can see, I have some splits already. Let me actually clear these. There we go. And then the first thing you have to do to create a split is click on Split Every, and it's going to allow you to basically put in different splits. So you could do, for example, a horizontal and a vertical split. I'm going to do both right now. Type is going to be standard, paper size A5 over here, and then the orientation is going to be portrait. I'm going to click on OK over here. And when you see this, as you can see, it's basically creating a split over here. Now, you can move this with your mouse just like this by moving it around, which is actually quite convenient. Or you could go over here, click on a specific split, click edit, and then you can change it to whatever you want. And it's going to, of course, change that line over here accordingly. You could add a new one, for example, like only vertical. I can leave it like this, press OK. A new one is going to get added. And I can again edit this one. I could put it whatever I want to be. And there we go. So for example, let's just add another horizontal one actually. There we go. And let's put them like this. And let's say this is now our split over here. Now, of course, here you have like different settings. You could use right to left splitting methods. You have a bunch of different methods over here as well. And you can preserve original content if you want to. And then down here you have the page range. So I'm going to do this for the current page, which is page 3 over here, just to show you how this works. But of course, you can do whichever range you want. After that, press OK. And as you can see, the first and second page are intact. The third one has been split into pieces, just like I've done it inside, of course, the editor where you were able to see it. So that's how to split pages. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.